This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to share a video in a Webex meeting. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues or presenting to an audience, sharing a video can be an effective way to convey your message. Follow along as I guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you have a seamless experience. First, you'll need to navigate to the Webex website. Open your preferred web browser and type in web.webex.com. This will take you to the main Webex portal where you can access all of your meeting tools and settings. Once you're on the Webex homepage, look to the left side of the screen for the Meetings tab. Clicking on this will open up a list of your scheduled meetings and allow you to start a new one. Now that you're in the Meetings section, you'll see a Start button. Click on it to initiate a new meeting. This is your command center where you'll manage all aspects of your Webex session. After you've started your meeting, look for the Start a Meeting button and click it. This will officially launch your meeting room and allow you to invite participants and share content. With your meeting underway, it's time to focus on sharing your video. At the bottom of your meeting window, you'll find a Share button. Click on this to begin the process of sharing your screen or individual applications with your attendees. This feature is versatile and allows you to share various types of content seamlessly. Next, you'll want to click on the Window option. This choice enables you to select a specific application window to share rather than your entire screen. It's a useful option for maintaining privacy and ensuring your audience only sees what you intend to show. Following that, select the Chrome tab option. This step is essential if you are planning to share a video from a web-based platform like YouTube. By choosing this, you'll be able to share a single tab from your browser, providing a clean and focused viewing experience for your participants. Lastly, head over to the tab where you have the video you want to share. If it's on YouTube, click on the youtube.com tab in your browser. Ensure that the video is ready to play and any ads have been skipped if possible. This preparation will help you provide a smooth and uninterrupted viewing experience for everyone in the meeting. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to share a video in a Webex meeting. By following these steps, you can enhance your presentations and engage your audience more effectively. Remember to check your internet connection and have your video queued up before you start sharing to avoid any delays. Happy sharing!